Hello, I saw your question in email. Why is this 0? Evaluate the following trigonometric function at quadrantal angles. Their state expression is undefined. So cosine of pi halves, it has to be radians because there's no unit there. So let's see. I want to open the textbook here. There it is. So you're in section 1.3 here. Here's the definition of the trig functions. They defined the trig functions 3 times. First time was in terms of a right triangle, and theta is restricted to acute angle. In this section, they're defining the trig functions once again, and they're removing the restriction that it be a right angle, that theta be any angle, or excuse me, removing the restrictions acute angle. So removing the theta could be any angle in standard position, that P be it's a point, coordinates are x, y, on the terminal side of theta. If R equals, just Pythagorean theorem, square root x squared plus y squared is distance from the origin to the point x, y as shown in the figure. So, here's a picture of it, angles in standard position. Here's the initial side. Here's the terminal side. You got your point here. You got x and y. You got theta and r as this distance. So particularly, we're looking at the cosine of theta. It's defined to be x over r. So let's see. I bring up paint and I start drawing a picture here. So here's your x and your y axis. This is your x axis. This is your y axis. So we're talking about cosine of pi halves is equal to x over r. Well, pi halves, that's the same as 90 degrees. So it's x over r. So you can pick any point on the x-axis. I just picked 0, 1. Okay, 0 is the x coordinate, and 1 is the y coordinate. And so cosine of pi halves is x over r. We can see the x-coordinate 0, then the r-coordinate, and we got this formula here for terming r. If you use it, x is 0 and y is 1, so r is going to be 1. And then 0 divided by 1 is 0. So using our definition here, cosine of pi halves is 0. So this is the second definition. We'll define the trig function the third time in the first chapter. Third definition will open it up to applications where the angle you're inputting is not an angle. So again, we have 3 definitions. You have the first one based on a triangle, and theta is restricted to acute angles. The second one, this definition allows it to be any angle. Third one, input would not even be an angle. Open, input could be time or something. I hope this helps.